Are you one of the many who dreams of becoming a data scientist? Are you someone who wants to understand what data science is? Well, keep watching this video if you're passionate about data science because we will tell you how it works under the hood. So, like our channel, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned. Hello everyone, my name is Afreen Rahman, and today in this video I'm going to explain everything about data science 101, the basics of data science. Well, let me start by explaining what is data science. Now, data science combines multiple fields which include statistic methods, artificial intelligence and data analysis to extract value from data. Now, those who practice data science are called data scientists, and they combine a range of skills to analyze data collected from the web, smartphones, customers, sensors, and other sources to derive actionable insights. Now, data science encompasses preparing data for analysis, including cleansing, aggregating, and manipulating the data to perform advanced data analysis. Right. Now, data science is one of the most exciting fields out there. But why is it so important? Well, the data volumes have exploded, as modern technology has enabled the creation and storage of increasing amount of information, quite easy and accessible. Now, it is estimated that 90% of the data in the world was created in the last 2 years, right? For example, Facebook users upload 10 million photographs every hour. Oh my God, right? But this data is often just sitting in databases and data lakes, mostly untouched, right? The wealth of data, being collected and stored by these technologies can bring transformative benefits to organizations and societies around the world, but only if we can interpret it. Now, this is where data science comes in. Now, data science reveals, trends, and it produces insights that business can use to make better decisions and create more innovative products and services. Perhaps more importantly, it enables machine learning models to learn from the vast amount of data being fed to them, rather than mainly relying upon business analysis to see what they can discover from the data. Now, data is basically the bedrock of innovation, but its value comes from the information data scientists can gain from it and then act upon it. Now, the very obvious question comes, what is a data scientist? Now, as a specialty, data science is quite young. It grew out of the fields of statistical analysis and data mining. There is something called as the Data Science Journal, which debuted in 2002, and it was published by the International Council for Science Committee on Data Science and Technology. Remember 2002? No, but by 2008, the title of data scientist had actually emerged, right? And the field very quickly took off. Now, there has been a shortage of data scientists ever since, right? Even though more and more colleges and universities have started offering data science degrees, right? So a data scientist's duties can include, developing strategies for analyzing data, preparing data for analysis, exploring, analyzing, and visualizing data, right? With all of this, they build models with data using programming languages such as Python and R, and deploying models into applications, right? Now, that being said, the data scientists don't work solo. In fact, the most effective data science is done in teams, right? So in addition to a data scientist, this team might include a business analyst who defines the problem, a data engineer who prepares the data and how it is accessed, an IT architect, right, who oversees the underlying processes and infrastructure, and an application developer who deploys the models or outputs of the analysis into application and products, right? Now, with all of this being done, how data science is transforming businesses for us, right? So organizations are using data science to turn data into a competitive advantage by refining the products and services. Now, data science and machine learning the user case includes determining customer churn by analyzing data collected from call centers, so that marketing teams can take action on them, right? Secondly, they improve efficiency by, analyzing traffic patterns, weather conditions, and other factors. So, logistic companies can improve delivery speeds and reduce costs. All of your Amazon deliveries, well, all of that really depends upon these, right? Now, thirdly, they improve patient diagnosis by analyzing medical test data and reported symptoms, so doctors can diagnose diseases earlier and treat them more effectively. Fourthly, they optimize the supply chain by predicting when equipment will break down, right? Fifthly, they detect fraud in financial services by recognizing suspicious behavior and anomalous actions, right? And then they also improve sales by recommending, creating recommendations for customers based upon their previous purchases, right? So these are some of the benefits that data science is bringing in our day-to-day life. Now, what are certain tools for data science that we can use, right? So building, evaluating, deploying, and monitoring machine learning models can be a very complex process. Okay, that's why there has been an increase in the number of data science tools. Now, data scientists, they use many types of tools, but one of the most common is open source notebooks, right? They are basically, web applications for writing and running code. They run code, they visualize data, and then you actually finally see the result all in the same environment, right? So some of the most popular notebooks that exist for data scientists are Jupyter, RStudio, and Zeppelin, right? So notebooks are very useful for conducting analysis, but have their limitations when data scientists need to work as a team, right? So data science platforms were built to solve this particular problem. So to determine which data science tool is right for you, it's important to ask the following questions, right? What kind of language do your data scientists use? What kind of working methods do they prefer? What kind of data sources are they using, right? So for example, some users prefer to have a data source agnostic service that uses open source libraries. Other prefer the speed of in database, or you can call it as machine learning algorithms. Well, these were just some of the basics of data science 101. If you love the video, please like and subscribe to our channel so that every time there's a new video ahead, you will be the first one to get notified. Thank you.